You know, it's been a while since we got into a fight.
I know. What's going on?
Well, you haven't been coughing up as much phlegm as you usually do in the morning, so that's been nice.
True. And you stopped leaving me hair art on the shower walls.
Yeah, you know, it's weird. When you're not annoying as shit, I don't pull my hair out.
Well, that's a relief, because I'm done pulling that rat's nest out of the drain.
Crazy. I thought you loved art.
You know what else? That pillow wall in bed has been very helpful.
Yes, keeping your sweaty body away from mine.
I was going to say to block out your loud and obnoxious snoring.
I don't do that.
Well, you're asleep, so you wouldn't know.
Well, I could put you to sleep. Forever. If you want.
Is this the start of a fight?
No, of course not. It's a threat.